Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to RJ Craft. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. Today I will show you this pattern. It's multiple 3, but it's pretty good for baby blanket, cardigan, and with this pattern you can make many things for baby, whatever you want. Jacket, cardigan, whatever you want. It's pretty good pattern. I hope you will like it. You can use many color, different color. I just used white and blue. You can use white and pink or multicolor or rainbow color. You can. So I will show you. I hope you will like it. So let's start. This is loop. 1, 2, 3. This pattern multiple 3. You can make baby's jacket, baby blanket, hat, cardigan, whatever you want to make. You can make many things with this pattern. Just multiply 3. So I'm gonna show you just small model pattern. You can just your size 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I have 21 yarn over 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna make in third, double crochet, then skip to 1, 2 in third, single crochet, same space, make 2 double crochet more, same stitch always, 1 single crochet, 2 double, 1, 2, skip 2 in third, make single crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 2 in third, 1, 2 in third, 1, 2 in third, single crochet and 2 double. Okay, I have 3 at the end, 1, 2, 3, third one, I'm gonna make single crochet. So you can see this pattern is pretty for all project. 1, 2, 3, chain 3 always, yarn over in the same space here, gonna make 1 more double crochet here. So 1, 2 in this space here, here, so here 2 skip, so single crochet in here, then 2 double, same stitch. This pattern will repeat just 1 row, 1, 2 and third. So just repeat like this, 1 single and then 2 double in same stitch, 1 single crochet, then 2 double, and same, 1 single, 2 double in same, 1 single crochet, two double in same stitch, then here at the end this chain space, single crochet, again chain 3, in same stitch, one double, then here skip 2 stitch, single, two double in same stitch, next again single, same stitch, two double, so what I have now, think how many, third row, I have third row, I'm gonna make 4 rows, then I will change color. You can't change many color, 2 color, 3 color, whatever you want to use, or you can use multicolor like rainbow color. It has in one bowl many colors. Single crochet always at the end, chain 3, chain 3, same space, one double crochet. So I'm gonna make 4th row now. Here your choice, would you like to after 5th row 4 rows, it depends how big you want, how wide do you want to make, yeah, stripe. After this row I will change color. Don't make too tight, it's just you should relax your hands. Just like this. And you can see. So here single crochet. So here you can make here. Then you need to, when you change color, you need to, if you want to use one color like this or rainbow color, you don't need to change your color different ball. Then you can continue like this again. So if you want to change color after 5 or 4 rows, then you have to make like chain 1, then cut this yarn and start another yarn. Okay, then you have to make like this, then cut bit long yarn, don't cut from near, bit long, because this yarn then after you can use with needle inside, you can do inside this yarn. Okay, yes. Where's my yarn? I'm gonna use blue color. You will use whatever you color you like. I'm gonna put through this yarn here. If you want to make more secure, you can, some people make knot, or some people make like loop like this, or you can just join like, okay, would like to keep this yarn inside. one chain. Then I have now 3 chains. Then after that you can cut this yarn here, same stitch, make one more double crochet, then here in third, okay, yarn over, 2 more, this yarn is secure now, not worry about to get out from there. Skip 2 and third, continue like this until the 4 row. I'm changing after 4 rows, that's why I'm saying your choice. You can make much wide do you want to make after 6 rows or 4 rows, 5 rows, whatever you want, or you can make in 1 row, it doesn't matter. Here and third, at the end always make single crochet, okay, and chain 3, always make in 1 double crochet in the same stitch at the end, then single crochet. So I'm gonna repeat this, so I will show you at the end this row, this color, at the end this color, when I'm gonna change. I already show you how to, you can change color. Two double crochet in same stitch, single crochet, then 2 double crochet, then at the end chain 3, make single crochet, chain 3, make same stitch. So I'm gonna make 2 more rows, then I will show you. Okay, I'm gonna make again 1 chain here, then cut this yarn again. So here you can, if you want to use 2 color, you can use again white color, or if you want to use multicolor, more different colors, you can use whatever color you like. People use some yellow color with this, and I don't like yellow color. You can use yellow, pink, whatever you want. So I would like to join white color again. Here, same stitch, then here Why didn't I show you? You can secure this yarn if you want. I'm just making, so make like this, keep it inside, make chain, then keep other side, oi, like this. Then leftover you can go. Two double, so same process, nothing change, just one row, just you need to repeat. So I will show you at the end this color again. So now I will show you at the end now, because no point, I already show you how you can join different color. Just repeat in one, nothing change until your project finish. Single crochet, chain 3, yarn over, turn the so I'm just gonna repeat this, then I will show you at the end this pattern. Okay, so viewers, I stopped my model is here. I made this small pattern. You can learn, this is so easy, and you can do whatever your project is, you can finish quick. I just made a repeat 4 rows white, 4 blues, then 4 white. Whatever you can make, just white and pink, or you can use multicolor. After you can use different color in here, then different another color, whatever you want. It's pretty good pattern for jacket, for baby blanket, many project. So I hope you will like it. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for compliment. If you like my video, please press the like button and bell icon. Thank you so much.